let's unbox a House of CB dress. So this is actually Mistress Rocks, which is like her edgier sister and a little more affordable. So as a seamstress, I know good fabric when I see it, and this stuff is buttery soft and also so well put together. Overall, the fit was perfect. I'm so glad I sized up because a small would have been way too small, I think. And I'm pretty sure this is my first mini skirt that doesn't ride up, it actually stays in place. So what do you think? Would you wear this outfit, and where would you wear it to? Bye guys.